perfectly. Wow. Whoa.
I bought this ENKEEO mask so that I could just read underwater on my iPad, which is in a life-proof nude case, and continue to breathe. It works. You actually can breathe underwater, but I'm a real sensitive guy, and after using it for about, I don't know, maybe it was 10 minutes, a part of the air you're breathing is your own air brought back in. So the next day I was coughing up a bunch, but I did breathe the whole time. You can survive underwater, and it does work, but I couldn't hang with it. Everybody else is fine with it, so I gave it to the girl in the picture, and I hope she uses it and enjoys it. For me, it worked, but I was coughing a bunch the next day. It is pretty neat, though, to breathe underwater without, like, a tank. So anyway, if you want to get this ENKEEO mask, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching Technuba.